Grandpa here. Today's book is kind of a good book, I think, for nowadays. Right now, we're kind of in the middle of a pandemic with the coronavirus, the COVID-19, whatever you want to call it. And anyway, it's all about staying healthy. Usually staying away from other people, social distancing and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, this one's maybe a little bit different than that, I think. But anyway, the name of it is Oh, the Things You Can Do That Are Good for You. It's all about staying healthy. I'm thinking, I don't know if you can see that or not, I'm thinking it's probably eating right, getting exercise, those kind of things, which is still important. Anyway, it's important, especially during this time when everybody's kind of staying home more. So I hope you enjoy the book, and let's take a look at it, huh? Oh, the things you can do that are good for you. This looks like the Cat in the Hat. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and today is the day, so jump in, buckle up, and must leave right away. For the Feeling Great Clinic in far-off Fado is a place part museum, part circus, part zoo, where you soon will learn how to take good care of you. Your mother will not mind at all if you do. Feeling Great Clinic. Here we are, and the first friends I'd like you to meet are two of the famous tack-toe tapping tweet shoot bezier ball baskets by using their feet. They play every day. They are strong and they're wise, for they know to stay healthy, they need exercise. Exercise gives you energy and helps you grow. It gets your heart beating and makes your blood flow. So exercise is good for you. What's the Snuffgruffle's trouble? There's no time to play, 'cause he sneezes at least 90 times a day. When you sneeze, you blow dust in a rush from your nose. My sneeze meter measures how far the dust goes. It can travel 5 feet and blast out with great power at speeds over 100 miles an hour. Here's the sneeze meter. So what should you do when you sneeze? Sneezing shoots germs out all over the place, so lift up your arm and cover your face. Sneeze into your elbow so your friends won't get sick, or sneeze into a tissue and throw it out quick. Germs are small living things, too tiny to see. Most germs, it is true, will not hurt you or me. Now you're in for a treat. Meet the zing singing Zans. What kind of name is that? She has written a song about washing your hands. It takes half a minute to get your hands clean. Sing along with Zans and you'll see what I mean. Wishily, or wishly, washily, wish. Swishily, squashily, squash. Wash your hands carefully, it's up to you. Use soap and warm water, it's easy to do. Rinse them while we all sing this reframe. Germs from your hands will slide right down the drain. To stay healthy, you need to keep all of your clean. So jump into my new Scrubble Bubble machine. It will give you shampoo, either lemon or lime. Scrub your fingernails free of the dirt and the grime, while you finish your homework at the same time. Oh, I missed part down here. It's under my hand. It's part shower, part car wash, and costs just a dime. Guess it all worked out. Now please follow me. You'll be glad that you did as we tiptoe inside the great food pyramid. Here's fats up to the top, just a little daily. You got milk, cheese, and yogurt, 2 to 3 servings daily. Vegetables, 3 to 5 servings daily. Meat, fish, poultry, eggs, beans, and nuts, 2 to 3 servings a day. Fruit, 2 to 4 servings a day. Bread, pasta, rice, and cereal, 6 to 11 servings a day. Oh my God, I'm thinking that would make you fat. Meet the hip in pop, who are experts at knowing what foods are the best for a body that's growing. They eat pasta, rice, cereal, muffins, and breads, which they munch at small tables they wear on their heads. Fruits, vegetables, lean meats, and fish they enjoy, although some prefer tofu or milk made from soy. They like all different foods, but are careful to eat only morsels of fat and a few things that are sweet. In the morning, your body needs food right away, so be sure to eat breakfast to start off each day. In his booth, you'll hear something amazing but true. You will hear your own body. It's talking to you. When you're thirsty, just listen. Your body says, think. I need to get water. Please drink, 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 drink. When you're hungry, your stomach starts grumbling and mumbling. Feed me or else I will go right on rumbling. When your body feels pain, it tells you, hey, something is wrong. I need help right away. If you start to feel tired, you can't do your best. Your body is telling you it's time to rest. If a voice inside says, I feel angry, I'm mad, or you hear your heart whisper, I feel kind of sad, tell a friend how you're feeling and know it's okay. Everyone at some times gets to feeling that way. Let me introduce the Snicker Sneath. She is known far and wide for her sparkling clean teeth. Like you, she had baby teeth when she was small, but through she grew big, her teeth grew not at all. One by one they fell out, but this smart Snicker Sneath knew she had a new set of teeth growing beneath. But there's one thing no Sneath you will meet will forget. This next set of teeth is the last set you get. So she brushes her teeth at least 2 times a day. Germs that stay on your teeth can lead to decay. After brushing your teeth, Take some floss and unwind it. Then slide it between them. If food's there, they'll find it. Keep brushing and flossing. It's really a breeze and will help to make sure you avoid cavities. Now I'd like you to meet the galactic Garou. He can jungle 6 chairs, 5 friends, and 1 shoe. How do Garou do it? It's hard to explain, but it all comes from signals sent out from the brain. It's your body's computer that makes everything go. Help you sleep, run, and hiccup. Think, dream, smile, and grow. It's important for you to protect it, and so if you're going out riding a skateboard or bike or doing another fun sport that you like, take care to make sure that your head is all right. Grab a helmet and see that you snap it on tight. Be smart and be safe, and just like the Garou, make sure that your parents wear helmets too. Here is where snug buggles tumble and play, then sleep in a heap at the end of the day. Snug Buggles knows the importance of rest. 10 hours of sleep helps Buggles do best. Snug Buggles shows us the way to wake bright. Go to sleep at about the same time every night. Brush your teeth, read a book, sing a song, dim the light, take a breath, close your eyes, just relax, and sleep tight. We all need to sleep. It's important to do, but your brain never sleeps. It keeps working for you. It keeps your heart beating inside of your chest and keeps your lungs breathing while you get some rest. Oh, the speaking of sleep, it is time we must go, but there's just one more thing I would like you to know. You are important and special. Believe me, it's true. No one in the world is exactly like you. We learned something together in far-off Fado. Taking care of yourself is a good thing to do. Maybe that's Fado. Feeling Good Clinic. I like that place. And that's it. Well, it was a good book. I think I learned some things. There's a lot there on health and washing your hands and covering your mouth and your nose when you sneeze, and a lot of good advice in there. Something to be learned with it and stuff. It'll keep yourself and others around you well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and hope you stay safe and you stay healthy and you don't get anybody else sick if you're sick, and that nobody gets you sick. Anyway, don't forget, Grandpa loves you. We'll see you another day. Bye-bye now.